Welcome to our reputation marketing strategy. And what we've done is we've taken step by step everything that we do behind the scenes in order to position someone as a market leader in their industry. Now, reputation marketing has a completely different approach than reputation management because you don't make money managing, you make money marketing. And our goal is to take every single one of our clients and not only build up their reputation, but then take that reputation and market it to get more customers. And we've seen conversions not just in the 20, 50, even 100%, but sometimes 2 and even 300% conversions when it comes to leveraging the power of their five-star brand online. So, what I want to do is take you through step by step exactly what you can do in order just not to help get more conversions, but also build your online reputation and brand. And it all starts with your online reviews and feedback reviews. These two types of reviews are simply the difference between online that are typically left on Google and Yelp and every other directory out there versus feedback reviews, which is really internal feedback that you can get from a client. Either one can be used with this strategy. And what we do is we take either the online reviews or feedback reviews or both, and we create what's called a feedback inbox. This feedback inbox simply aggregates and summarizes everything that's going on online. So you have a one-stop shop to see all the reviews that are happening, and more importantly, what your clients and customers are saying about you online. But it doesn't stop there. Once we've gone out, we've aggregated every single review every single day and monitor them all over the web. We put it in one box, but then when it comes into the inbox, it then gets distributed to the first division, which is our social media team. Now, our social media team has a very important role. What they do is they take the five-star reviews and they actually create what we call branding and social images out of them. It's a powerful strategy that we use that we can actually take these online reviews and turn them into something where no matter where someone goes, you look like the market leader. So, how do you make your company look like a market leader instantly with reputation marketing? Well, would you agree that you're starting to see businesses use the reviews on their social media? See, we're starting to see that where someone will take their review and maybe copy it over and post it on Facebook or Twitter. This is the good old social media post. You can see on the right-hand side here, someone took a review maybe off of Google and copy and pasted it. Or you can see here a five-star review. They might have even added a graphic. Well, this is a massive failure. Even though they're doing a good job in trying to be proactive and market their reviews, it's not engaging at all. No one wants to actually read this. There's zero visual social value. It's hard to read, and there's no authority. We don't know who left these reviews, if it was a relative or an aunt, or maybe even they were paid somebody to leave some reviews, and there's no call to actions. So when someone reads this great review, what do they do next? So we reimagined how to solve all five problems, and our team created something called five-star reputation story picks. And these story images or these story picks where we went from something that looked like this, which is unengaging and uninviting and just no one would really even use it, and so it's not valuable at all, into something like this. Highly engaging images that fit into the social media stream and look amazing. To this too. So we've created all these types of forms of these review images to promote someone's five-star reputation. It took months to put our process together to do these professional images. So every single business looks like a rock star. And when someone goes to their social media, they look like the market leader. So figuring out the right designs, the right photos, graphics, editing, buying the royalties to the images, and creating the process so that we could actually take that review, create an image on it, and then post to every social media site. So this is the old way versus the new way, which we call the reputation story picks or reputation images. We went from not engaging to highly engaging. We went from zero social value to 100% social value. We went hard to read to easy to read, and building curiosity. We went from no authority to 100% authority icon so that every review we use, we tell you which listing we actually got that review from. And we went from zero to a call to action to custom call to actions in every single review picture we actually use. So now once we have those review pics or review images, we then syndicate them to all the different social media sites. And then we create a report to show our clients each and every image and where they went. But we didn't stop there, because once we get that online review or that feedback review, we also can send it to our video marketing team. And our video marketing team does something very special. They create what we call a 60-second or 30-second review commercial. This 30 or 60-second commercial is powerful because what it does is it positions every single business as a market leader, just not on their website, just not on social media, but also the search engines can pick this up so that when someone's looking for a business, they're going to see this type of video. And here's what we found. Businesses using video grow a company 49% faster year over year than organizations without. That means just by using video, you can literally grow your business by almost 50% faster than your competition. But it doesn't stop there, because some new online marketing trends that will literally blow you away is that 81% of consumers have been convinced to buy a product or service by watching a brand's video. So consumers are out there and they want video, 81% of them. So when 81% of your market wants something, we need to actually give it to them. So we combine two of the most proven and most powerful marketing strategies to get conversions: reputation marketing and video marketing, into 60-second review commercials and 30-second review commercials. And what we found was incredibly powerful. These review commercials, literally 100% unique videos, hosted by professional spokesmodels, shot in Hollywood-style studios with primetime graphics, animation. And what we do is we set it up in someone's office. So when we film these actual spokesmodels, we do it on a green screen. So all someone would have to do is take a photo of an empty lobby, and we can actually edit it as if we were doing an on-location shoot, showing your 5-star reviews and a call to action so they can take the next step and pick up the phone or go to your website or call you or schedule an appointment. And we SEO optimize it to rank. So these videos actually rank when someone is searching for your company. We also syndicate to Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and all the different social media sites. It's a powerful strategy so that you can actually start marketing your 5-star review, not just with social images, not just with review pics, but also with review videos. And the powerful thing about this is you can actually put these on your website as well. And when someone actually sees this video on your website, we can track that as well. So that's put in a report. But it doesn't stop there, because the online reviews and feedback reviews, once they're in that inbox, they also can go to our content division team. And what they do is a live stream right to your website. So that means your reviews show up on your website in a way that can get your website converting more than you ever thought possible. So how can you increase conversions by up to 380% from your website with reputation marketing? Well, you probably would agree that you're starting to see reviews on websites. And why is that? Because they work and they convert. The problem is, if we take a look at a good old testimonial page, which is what 90% of businesses are doing, is they take all their reviews and they put it on a testimonial page. And there's 7 major failures of marketing reviews and reputation on a website. The first one is it's only on one page. That's rarely seen. We've done some data studies, and we find that only between 11 and 13% ever see a testimonial page. That means almost 90% of website visitors never even see this page. There's no review verification, so nobody knows who these reviews are really from. It's not mobile friendly whatsoever, and it's static, so it can't be updated. And what we found is powerful new stats that say if the reviews that someone is reading are more than 90 days old, then they're no longer relevant. It's not eye-catching whatsoever, and there's no directory icons to build authority or to verify the authority, and there's no call to action, which is the most critical of all the things that are missing. So we know most businesses understand they need a good reputation, but they're doing it all wrong, and they don't even know it. So we reimagined how to solve all 7 problems. In almost every business that saw this simple strategy, it made a huge difference. And we call these review badge strategies. And so what we do is we did a old way of the testimonial page, and we reimagined it into something we call review badges. We went from rarely being seen to 100% viewed by all visitors. We went from no review verification to 100% review verification. Now mobile friendly to mobile friendly. Static can't be updated to automatically updated every single day and stream live directly from Google, Facebook, or all the major directories. So when someone actually comes to your website, 100% of every single viewer, every single visitor is going to see your 5-star reviews. And you can see it's eye-catching and it's perfectly timed. So when someone scrolls down the page of any page on your website, they're going to see your 5-star reviews. No directory icons versus now you're going to have full directory icons, no call to action versus a direct call to action where they can actually click to call or click to schedule an appointment. So let me show you a quick example. So here's an example of a really nice fitness page website. So you can see here, as someone starts to scroll, gently we start to show them the 5-star reviews in the bottom corner. So you can see it's not annoying, but 100% of every single visitor is going to see that. But then it fades away. So you can start to learn a little bit more about that business and you can see, oh, here's another review. Wow, we're showing the 5-star reviews and they're front and center for everyone. But if you want to learn more, watch what happens. A pop-up comes up that they can see the entire review. But more than that, right under that review is a click to call, a schedule appointment. It can be any call to action that you want. But there's just not one review here. What if they want to see more reviews? Well, they can actually scroll through and you can see we beautifully designed this to look incredibly professional so that they can position themselves as the market leader in the industry by every single business showing off their 5-star reviews. So now that you've seen the power of live streaming your reviews to your website, you can also understand that what we try to do is put what's called a retargeting pixel on the website as well. So every single person that comes to the site, that can be captured and you can market them 30, 60, even 90 days into the future. This is the perfect target market that sometimes is getting away and not contacting you. So to be able to drop a retargeting pixel, this allows you to capture them and market them, which is the next step in our process. Because what we can do is we can take those online reviews and that feedback reviews that go to our review inbox and we can send them to another division. And that is our traffic team. And the traffic team, now that we have a retargeting pixel, can start creating what's called a review ad campaign. And these review ad campaigns are powerful because no matter where someone goes on the web now, they'll be able to see your ads, just not showing your brand or your logo, but your 5-star reputation. So imagine someone coming to your website and maybe in the middle of potentially contacting you, their phone rang or the baby cried, right? And they never did. So went back online and maybe they found somebody else. But then they checked the weather, they checked the news, and now all your 5-star ads are showing up for them. So no matter where they go online, they're seeing that you're the most reputable company to do business with. Well, it's a powerful opportunity for them now to click on those ads and be redirected back to your website. Now imagine if they come back to your website a second time, what are they going to do? They're going to contact you. And so this is a powerful way to set up what we call a retargeting campaign. So these 4 reputation marketing strategies are designed to do one simple thing: to get people to your website, to get visitors to contact you and call you and schedule and do business with you. Now, all this is done and put inside a report. So whether it's a retargeting pixel, retargeting campaign, your website, your social media, videos, so that you can see exactly all the work that's happening each and every month. And that goes into what we call a monthly reputation report. So you can see everything at a glance. And that leads us to our last step, which is the client portal login, where you're given a username and password so you can see this entire strategy working for you 24/7 every single month. And a reputation marketing strategy like this gives you the power to build your brand, to get more conversions, and to position yourself as an industry leader to be able to get more customers. So we're so thankful you got a chance to see our step-by-step strategy, and we hope that you implement it so that you can start growing your business by building your online brand and reputation.